Namaskar, I am Silpi Singh. Today we will discuss a few topics of Numpy array. So these topics will be covered. The first one is reshaping of arrays, concatenating of arrays, splitting, and the statistical operations on array. Then start. First one is the reshaping of array. If we are already created the array and we want to change the shape of array, then we are using the function of numpy a, that is the reshape. Okay, it means the array is already created. We want to change the shape. It means number of rows and number of columns. If we want to change, then we are using the reshape. Then in this example, the numpy array arrange function, with the help of arrange function we are creating array. It means start from 1 up to 10. Then I write ar dot reshape 2 comma 5. It means in this the first one is one dimensional array. When we reshape, it means 2 comma 5. It means 2 rows and 5 columns. That means this is the first row, second row, and there are the 5 columns. But the main condition is that the number of element of both array must be same, because in the one dimensional array there's 10 elements, there is 10 elements, and after reshaping we need how many elements? 2 into 5 into 5, that means 10. Okay, and this is the main condition to change the size and the shape of already existing array. Okay, this one is clear. With the help of function, the function is reshape. Okay, this one just check in the program. This one, first we have to import. The Python is case sensitive. Then this one, import numpy as np. And I create a equals to np dot array. For example, 1 comma 2. This is a one dimensional array. Number of element is 8. Then we want to reshape. Then I write this one, 8 dot reshape. I put 3 comma 2. It means 3 rows and 2 columns. If we need 3 into 2, 6 elements, but A has 8 elements. It means it will show the error. After reshaping, the number of elements both are must be same. Then if I write 4, 4 into 2, it means 8. The number of element is same, because we are not skip any element and we can't accept extra elements. Okay, then this one, a dot reshape, it is reshape the array. It means 4 rows and 2 columns. This is the reshape function. Okay, but if I write a, the data array is not changed. If we want to change, then we have to write b equals to, for example, otherwise a equals to a dot reshape, then 4 comma 2. Okay, if we write this one, then it is changed. Okay, so in this condition just reshape, but actually a array is not changed. A equals to a dot reshape 4 comma 2. Now then a is changed. Okay, now this one is clear. Next one is concrete. Concrete means if we want to join two or more array. Then we are using this function to add, or we can append the array. Okay. Then this one, the array A is given. Array 1, this one is array 1. It means, what is this? This is 2 cross 2 matrix. It means 2 rows and 2 columns. This one is array 1. Then array 2. This one is 2 cross 3. Okay. Then if you want to concrete, then there is only one option. The array 1 will be the added either vertical or horizontal. But for the horizontal, if you want to add the horizontal, then no problem, because number of rows both same. This one is 2 and 2. It means the concrete will be done according to horizontal. This one we can add horizontal. But if you want to vertical, it means the number of columns must be same. But there is not must be same, then it not be possible, because in the array 1, 2 and array 2, 3. Okay. Then function we apply np.concatenate array 1 comma array 2. Then the main thing is axis equals to 1. If we write axis equals to 1, it means it is concrete horizontally. If we write axis equals to 0, it means perform the operation on vertical. It means it will be at the end of the another array. Okay. So by default, it is axis equals to 0. It means vertically. If vertically, it means there is no need to define the axis. If we want to horizontal, then we have to put axis equals to 1. Okay, this is the one method. Another method also have that is H stack and V stack. It is very simple. H for horizontal, V for vertical. So both function predefine the axis. There is no need to define the axis. If you are using the function H stack, it means it will be concrete horizontal. If you are using the function V stack, it means it will be concrete vertically. Okay, so that's one. This one is the array 1. This is the array 2. Then what is the shape? Array 1 shape is 2 rows and 3 columns. Then what about this one? It means 2 rows, 3. It means number of rows and number of columns both are same. It means we can perform the operation horizontal and vertical both. There is no problem, because number of rows and number of columns both are same. Then we are using the V stack or H stack. In this example, this is the H stack. It means it will be added. This one is the first array. This one is the second array. And we are using the H stack. It means it will be add horizontal. If I write this one V stack, then it will be add vertical. Okay, just check. Now there is 2 array, A and B. This one is A and this one is B. What is the shape? There's 2 cross 4, 2 rows and 4 columns. It means the shape of A and shape of B both are same. It means we can concrete vertically and horizontal both. Then first take this example. If I write np dot concatenate, then passes A, comma B. Then this one is show the, because we have to give in this one in list form. This one is list. Okay, this one is come. If I write A comma B, it means A is the array and B will be treated as a scalar. Then it will be added vertically. Because we have not given the access, it means it will take by default vertically. It means by default axis equals to 0. If I put here comma axis equals to 0, then both are same. It means if I'm not giving the axis, by default it will take the axis equals to 0. It means vertically. If we want to concrete horizontal, then we have to write axis equals to 1. Okay, it means now we added as a horizontal. Okay, next just check the one example of V stack and H stack. Same np dot put V stack, this one is V stack. If I write np dot H stack, it means horizontal. Then put A, comma B. This one is the vertical. It means the both operation, the concatenate perform the both operation added to row wise or column wise with the help of axis. If axis equals to 0, it means vertically. If axis equals to 1, it means horizontal. The same perform will be done by the V stack and H stack. For example, if I write this one like B comma A, B comma A. Now the first one will display the first array, that is the B. Then after this, this one is B, then A. Okay. In this one, we are giving the A comma B. It means the first is A, then second is B. Okay. This is clear. Concatenate and V stack, H stack. If you are not giving the axis, by default it will take the axis equals to 0. It means this will be the vertical. If you want to concrete horizontal, then we have to give the x equals to 1. Okay, this one is clear. Next, is split. It means we can split or divide the array into 2 or more than subarrays with the help of function split. Again, there are another two functions, v split and h split. The first, what is the difference? The v split and h split function. The function v split and h split. V means vertically split and h means horizontally split. Will be used when we have to divide the array in equal part. We want to divide the arrays in equally. Okay. If we want to divide arrays in unequal part, then we are prefer to use split. Okay. Again, the split has one thing, that is the axis. Okay. So by default, It is similar. By default, it will x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. It means vertically, it will split vertically. If we are using x is equals to 1, it means horizontal. Okay, just check an example, then it will be clear. Now we have created one array. This is the A with the help of arrange and reshape. First we create the one-dimensional array. This is the from 1 to 41. It means 40 elements. And reshape 8, 5. It means 8 rows and 5 columns. That is, this one is the array. Okay. Now just check split function. If I write Numpy dot split, then give the array name is A, comma, I put, by default it will take the vertically. It means vertically divide we have to, it means there is 8 rows. I put something 2, 4. Okay, then this one. It means it will create 3 arrays. Okay, it will clear if I write this one. A1, A2, A3 equals to this one. A1, A2 and A3. Okay, then how it is, just think. The given is 2, 4. Okay, the axis is not given. It means x is equals to 0. 0 means vertically. If we divide it vertically, then it will divide in 3 parts. It means it start from 0, 0, 2. Then next is 2, 4. Then 4, this one. Okay, it means this is performed like a slice. This one. It will be better. This one. It means the first is this one, then 2, then third. It means 0, 2. It means first row and second row. Okay, the only 2 rows will be, this one is first. In this one, 2, 4. It means 2 and 3. This one, this is represent the index. The next is 4, dash. It means up to the end. There is remaining A3. It means this one. 2 plus 2 plus 4. It means 8. These are the 8 rows. Okay, clear? By default, it is this one. If I write same, this one, and put comma, axis equals to 1. Okay, then this one is 3. Okay, then again divided into 3 arrays, because we are giving 2, 3. It means the first slice is 0, 2. Second is 2, 3. The next last one is this one. Then x is equals to 1. It means it will be horizontal. Then the 0, 2, it means the first row, first column and second column, third column and onwards. It means divided in this This is the array. This is the first array. And 2 colon 3, it means only 2. 3 is not included like a slice. This one is, and the 3, it means the remaining portion. This is the split. Okay. Next, if we are using np dot, we split, it means vertically, then give the array, that is a colon, this is divided in vertically. Just check. It will show error. Why? Because I already told V stack and H stack will be divided or split equal portion, 3 equal portion. We have this one, okay, and we are divide their number 1, 2, 3, 4, there 8. 8 divided by 3, it is not equally divided. If I write 4, it is divided in equal parts. 4 equal parts. It means 2 rows. Okay, it means there is 2 rows. This one is 1, then that is second, then third, and fourth. Okay, H split and V split divide or create the sub arrays in equals. Okay, if it is not possible, then it will show the error, because in the previous we are trying to divide in 3, but number of rows is 8. That's why it is not possible. If I divide in 4, it means it will create the 4 arrays. If I write 2, it means it will give the 2 arrays. This is the 1 and then this is the 2. And there is 8 rows, it means 4 in each array. Okay, it is clear. H split and V split. Similar to the H split, it is not possible H split because there is 5 elements. If we want to divide into 2, it is not possible. 3, not possible. 4, not possible. Okay, this one is clear. The last topic of today's lecture is statistical operation on array. Because the main purpose of Numpy array is to perform the different operation on data. If we want to retrieve information from data, it is compulsory and need of these operations. These are the basic operations: max, min, sum, mean, and standard deviations. Okay, all the functions are related to the statistical. Then the max function. The max function is used to find the maximum element from an array, minimum for find the lowest and minimum element. Sum will be the added all the element. Mean, it will use to find the average of element, and STD means standard deviation, it is used to find the all elements. Okay, now just check the someone there is already. This thing is that if I write this one, if I'm not giving access, then it will find them all the maximum values. If I'm giving the access, it means we want to row wise maximum and column wise maximum, then we have to give the access. Okay, there are two values, 0 or 1. 0 again 0 for column. If you want to column wise maximum, minimum and sum, then we have to give x is equals to 0. If you want to maximum, minimum different operation on row wise, then x is equals to 1. If you're not giving the axis is not given, it is none, then it will find the maximum value or element from the whole array, not row wise and column wise. Okay, just check an exam program. This one is the first one. We import the library. The next one is create the array with the help of arrange and reshape function. This is 10 cross 5, it means 10 rows and 5 columns. Then find the sum. Just check. This one is the array. This one is the array. That is the 10 cross 5. And first is my array dot sum. We are not giving the access. It means it will count or total of all the elements. It will print. This is this one, 1275. If you want to sum of row wise and column wise, then we have to give the access. Okay. Then we have write x is equals to 1. It means row wise. This one, because it has 10 rows, so it will be print the 10 values. Each element will be the sum of each rows. If you want to sum column wise, then x is equals to 0. This one is column. Same max, we are not giving the access, it means it will return the maximum element of the array. That is the 50. This one, 50. If you want to maximum value row wise and column wise, again give the x is equals to 1 or 0. 1 for rows and 0 for columns. Same mean, max, mean, then standard, all these. Okay, row wise and column wise. I think it is clear. This is the program. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.